Hey, what's up, guy? My name is Ben. Today we're going to talk about the economy under President Trump. All right, so within the last couple of weeks, there's mass deportations, and originally they only go after the violent criminals, but they say ICE new director or whatever, DHS, he say if the non-violent illegals are in the same place, they're gonna deport them too. So do you think the gig economy, i.e. DoorDash, Uber Eats, UberX, Instacart, Amazon Flex, Walmart Spark, do you think the gig economy is gonna be better with all this mass deportation? Let me know in the comments, huh, guys? This is a very hot topic at the moment. Mass deportation plus gig economy under Trump, huh? Let me know in the comments, guys. I'm still out picking up a Grubhub order as we speak. 2:40 a.m. Wednesday morning. Historically, January and February are slow, two of the slowest months. And I don't know. In the shorts or some of my live stream, some of my DoorDash drivers, Spark drivers said have confirmed that it's been better. In Denver, I haven't seen anything drastic yet in Denver. So let me know how's the gig economy in your market, huh? Let me know in the comments, guys. So I've done a video, about the Walmart Spark drivers, the migrants doing Walmart Spark drivers, deep dive in Denver. Shout out to Aaron Gig from Phoenix, Arizona. He was the first one to do it, I believe. Yeah, the first one. Shout out to Aaron Gig from Phoenix, Arizona. This video got 800k views by now. So shout out to Aaron. I also did one myself. Mine is, the title is Walmart Spark Scammer Deep Dive or some shit like that. Oh yeah, before we get deep into this hot topic, hot subject, please subscribe if you enjoy side hustle, gig economy content. Most of the tips and tricks, or most of my best content, on regular horizontal YouTube videos. My live stream is just like vlogging, man. Yeah, I don't like to talk about gig on my live stream. It's just me having fun and stuff, And these horizontal long form videos pay a lot more than live stream or short. So you want good content on a video, YouTube is where it's at. YouTube long form horizontal. Smash the like. Most importantly, subscribe and go back to the app and turn on notifications. That way when I release new videos, you'll be the first one to see them. Shout out to all the people that ring the notification bell. Oh yeah, and tax season is right around the corner. If you, I talk about doing tax on my live many times. Yeah. If you know how to file your tax as a gig worker. In the 11 years I've been doing gig, I paid zero or little taxes on my 1099. Zero to little taxes on my 1099 in the 11 years I've been doing Uber, DoorDash, and all the gig apps. So I'm not gonna go into details, but if you need an app to track your mileage, estimate your taxes, and if you're willing to pay for the monthly subscription, please use Solo. I will put the link in the pinned comment, also in the video description. Solo is a very good app if you need an app to track your mileage, estimate your taxes, and so on. Thank you, Solo, for sponsoring this channel. Now let's get back to the video. So yeah, I gotta turn out the lights. It's freaking midnight, 2 a.m. and I'm driving. So yeah, man, I've been doing gig work for like 11 years. First day was December 30th, 2013, going on 12 as we speak. So I've seen many ups and downs, all the different changes and so on. Yeah. As of now, I'm doing gig just part-time for now. But yeah, man, under Trump, you think with all the mass deportation, it's gonna help out fellow gig workers? Yeah. Is it gonna be better? More orders? I don't know. What do you guys think? Yeah. Let me know in the comment one more time, huh? Oh yeah, a lot of you guys asked me about tips and tricks as a new DoorDash driver, Walmart Spark driver, and so on. My philosophy is still the same after 11 years, man. Multi-app, cherry pick. Multi-app, cherry pick. So work with multiple apps. If you like food delivery, run all three. Run catering apps on top of that. You know, so run DoorDash, Uber Eats, Grubhub. Run some catering apps like Deliver That, and I forgot what's the name of the other one. I don't have any catering apps active at the moment. If you're doing rideshare, sign up for both. Or in Denver, we have a third one as well. So there's Uber, Lyft, and there's also a co-op or something like that. It's rideshare in Denver. But if you're doing rideshare, let the Uber packs, Lyft packs, you know, just tell them, hey man, yeah, if you enjoy my service, yeah, take down my number, hit me up when you need a ride, shoot me a text, call me. Personal rides is where it's at. Personal private rides is where it's at, you know. So I'm picking up at McDonald's at 2:47 a.m. 2:47 a.m. If you enjoy shopping, Instacart shipped. DoorDash also has shopping, Spark, Uber Eats, Grubhub. 873. Thank you so much. So if you enjoy logistics like packages, delivering packages, there's Viho, Amazon Flex. Amazon Flex is one of my favorite, especially Whole Foods. What else? All right, pulling up at McDonald's at 3 a.m. Yeah, man. So there's a gig for everybody, you know. Some people like food delivery and that's all they do. Some people like catering and that's all they do. Some people enjoy shopping. Some people like to drive people around. There's something for everybody. So once again, man, yeah, tips and tricks. I'm with the, you know, multi-app and cherry picking camp. Yeah, that's my strategy. A lot of you guys say you have to be a platinum so you can dash now, and I get it. Yeah, if you're in a small market, there's not many options like in a small town. But if you're in a big city or a medium-sized city like Denver, yeah, multi-app and cherry pick. Medium and big cities are so typically metro population of 4 million or above. I say it's medium size, i.e. I don't know, i.e. Denver, St. Louis, Cincinnati, you know. So metro population between 2 million and 5 million, I say it's a medium market. And then anything bigger than that is probably a big market. San Francisco, LA, New York City, Chicago, maybe Dallas. Yeah, that might be a big market, generally speaking. Yeah. Then metro population of 800,000 or lower, that would be a small market. Yeah. So yeah, have you done your taxes yet? I've been doing my my own tax for like I don't know, 9-10 years. Yeah. The first year I did Uber, I let a CPA do it. I think the second year I might have done it myself. Yeah, it's there's been so much going on in my life, so yeah. But I've been doing my own taxes as a gig worker for like 8 or 9 years now, and most of them years I pay 0 or little in taxes, man. zero a little. Yeah. So if you want one-on-one tax consultation, shoot me an email. I charge $100 per hour, or if it's a short phone call, maybe $50. One-on-one tax consulting for gig workers saves you a lot of money. But like for new drivers, just use an app. Use an app for new drivers. And if it's your first year filing tax as a gig worker, take it to a professional CPA. Don't go to H&R Block, man. Half of them are not CPA. Take it to a professional CPA. They might charge a lot, but they're gonna break it down for you, on all the deductions and all that. Then once you're comfortable, or once you know what you're doing, you can use TurboTax. It's pretty simple, but if you have a lot of gig, like 7 gig apps, and you gotta file 1099 on all of them, and myself, I also have 1099 from YouTube, Facebook, TikTok. It's a lot of revenue and lots of deductions. So, and W2. If I take mine to a professional CPA, they probably charge like, I don't know, man, north of $600. So that's why I do it myself. And that's all for today's video. Short and sweet, guys. If you enjoy the content, smash the like, subscribe, and most importantly, go back to the YouTube app, turn on all notifications. And once again, all right, just a 2-minute wait at McDonald's at 3 a.m. Not too shabby. So once again, thank you, Solo, for sponsoring this channel. Shout out to all the channel members. Only costs $5 per month. $5 per month to become a channel member. Happy Lunar New Year, guys. And hopefully everything's going to be better for my fellow gig workers. That's going to do it for tonight. I'm out. Have a nice day. Peace.